Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming licenses and admin roles, global admin or security admin, so you can change policies immediately. Once done, enable tenant audit log and unified audit to capture events. This is critical for later investigation. Next, switch safe attachments and safe links to monitor mode first to gather telemetry without blocking users. Make sure to document current mail flow and retention settings so you can compare behavior before and after policy changes. You now build policies, create anti-phishing rules targeting high-risk users and domains, enable mailbox intelligence for personalized protection, and add impersonation detection for CEO and executive names. Then set safe links to rewrite URLs with time-of-click scans. Make sure to exclude trusted apps if needed. For safe attachments, move from monitor to sandbox detonation, then to block for confirmed threats. Roll out gradually by group. Also integrate with mail flow rules, so headers mark processed messages for downstream systems. You finish by enabling reporting and alerts and turning on automated investigation and response playbooks to reduce manual triage. Once done, validate quarantine handling and user notification templates so users know how to release or report items. Make sure to run phishing simulations and review secure score improvements weekly. If something breaks, like excessive blocking, check the policy match logs and quarantine samples first. Then roll back the last change or add exclusions, verify with a test user, and progressively reapply tighter controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.